Thinking about a spacious one-story in a very convenient location? Here it is for you. Every room offers the right amount of space. The formal living plus dining room space has so much potential. Love the family room plus kitchen. Lots of natural light. The walk-in pantry is big enough plus the laundry is very convenient. Energy efficient with double pane windows, LED lights plus brand new ceiling fans every room in the house, and 2 fans keep the oversized covered patio cool. The backyard has enough room for so much to happen. There is a second lot attached to the left side of the house. Want a pool? You can put it here. Want to try your skills with veggie gardening? You have all the room you need to have an awesome organic crop of your own. Need a big garage? Check out this one. So much space between houses.